Hello, it's Sona here from Upgrade Your OET by Bose Learning. As it's almost Halloween, I thought you might like the magic formula for writing the perfect OET letter. First of all, understand who you are, who you're writing to, and why. You'll be able to find the information that you need at the beginning and end of the case notes. Ingredient 2. Think about how your reader is going to care for your patient. Knowing this will help you do number 3, and that is to select all the details that the reader needs to know from the case notes. Once you've done that, you can then prioritise what's most important, also important, and then extra. Finally, write your letter and don't forget to leave yourself time to proofread it at the end. And that's the magic formula for success in your OET writing.